Migu hot topic yetu ya namhlanje lalelani. Hi Donna, hi Saki, hi 326 Express. I will not be availing a lot of details for anonymity reasons, but hopefully I'll share just enough for 326 Express to help me. I have been celibate my whole life, and I took the pledge 12 years ago, and I'm turning 31 this year. I started my journey around 19 years at a mission school in a small town, and I stayed there for 8 years. I was pursuing college, took a good career path, then specialized 2021. Because of the nature of my job, I had to move to Harare and have been serving here ever since. Dambudziko raitika is the way other sisters conduct themselves. Dane 4 years, ndichiwitnessa all sorts of sexual immorality, especially amongst the high-ranking sisters. Little effort is made to cover their tracks. In fact, some are living really double lives, where they could go for days and then come back and resume duties as usual. Something I had never seen or witnessed at the convent I was when I started. Cases of pimping the chosen junior ones by seniority to male outsiders is imminent. Last week, a certain sister was hospitalized, and word in the corridors was it was an abortion. The rest of us are then kept under very strict rules and surveillance. I can't go into detail, but this made me rethink my decision to become a nun. My family have always been referred to as vaberekiva sister. And when I discussed my concerns, havasi kutomboda kuzvinzwa. Mama vari kutombodzwisisa, but baba vaiti tonyarirepi, blaming me for fabricating stories because I have found someone I like and now want to be married. My dad threatens to disown me, something I never thought he would ever say because all I did in my life was make him proud. Of course, my 2 friends at work have told me to just leave, but I really feel it's not that easy. Thought of reporting them to authorities, but trust me when I say some of them are the perpetrators. I'm rethinking my decision. Inini kwandiri, this doesn't make sense to me, and I fear I might be wasting my youth and living a lie. The conflict also is, I also feel strongly that I am meant to do this. Ndoita seiko. I have been really praying about it these past days, and I need help, especially from those who have been in the same situation. Iyo I hot topic yetu ya namhlanje.
Kuzo zvakaoma nei?
Just jaw drop after jaw drop.
It is. It is. And to get someone who's like on the inside to, yeah, okay. So it's a sister, but a sister in the regard that we listen to, and not just a sister, someone who's been celibate. It's part of their religion, and akatopikira, but ari kuona zvikuitwa nevamwe. And I would say, Saki, what do you think? What do you think? What do you think she should do? Because now the father is saying, "Vakuchi sister kokokoga." Yeah. So her last question was, I would love responses, especially from some people who were there, who have been in that situation.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then someone says, I'm kind of in the same boat. I've sacrificed my youth to try to make my parents happy. But at the end of the day, it doesn't matter. I've decided to bet on myself, and you should too. Maybe go the marrying route. But also she's heavily convicted. Yeah.
I was thinking the same, that, you know what, already she is drawn towards having a relationship and being married. And if she is to take root ya baba, she will always live an unhappy life, a life where she's not satisfied, a life where she feels something is still missing.
But she also feels she feels like she should have, where she is. You get it?
I get it. I get it.
Hi, you are live on Star FM. Star FM, hello.
Hello.
Hi, Maswera saying.
Tasquera say.
Tasquera.
Yeah, and I go to I can share my experience. My sister wangu ni mwana mimi na mume wangu. Akaenda wepo kwa sister. Hazo msister ali mwezi wa Zibudi. Mulale pambe ji sister.
Mm.
And to make matters worse,
Mm.
and I was married. Pandakazi mwana wangu pakashaya pakauya kunhame mwana wangu ndiodhera akabhatiza.
Angatone nhumbu.
Asina and avarorwa zvinonakidza for 5 years anamboita movie.
Okay.
Vazorambwa patanga pinda mabhawa ndipakatanga kuita vana. And she's positive now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Saka tukuti kumunhu anyora.
Nditoziva mamwe mafata ari married living a double life.
Okay. Not to mention names, but saka oita sei munhu atinyorero.
Uyatinyorero. She must follow her heart.
Okay.
She mustn't force herself. She must follow her heart zvaari kuda zvacho. Zvekuti vana baba izvi hapana zvibatsire kana yatoda zvaari kuita ngaiti.
Okay. Maita basa. Hi, you live on Star FM?
Hello, Masquera.
Tasquera, what's your contribution, sir?
Zvazvinoita manje ndezvekudai so. Calling yako munhu, you never grow my doubt.
Ndizvozvo.
Uyu munhu uyu zvinhu zvaakaita zvinhu zvaakaronga nenjere dzake nekuona
nevabereki
vamwe
vake
vanhu vachiita zvinhu abazviyemura abazvichiva but haisi calling yake. Bose yanga iri calling yake pakati pecontroversy dzese dzaari kuona idzodzo, pakati pezvese zvaari kuti hazvisi kufamba zvakanaka, iye airamba ari steadfast pafaith yake. Saka munhu ngaite zvaari kuudzwa nemwoyo wake.
Maita basa. And yeah, it's kind of, sure. Chinchako chaicho sakile, you feel it in bone marrow.
Right.
Yeah.
Especially calling.
Yeah. Messages on our WhatsApp, Hansi.
Here's a message. Hansi, hi Donna, this is not new. We have read a lot of stories. I've lost that message. And then here's another one. Hi Saki and Donna, Inini hangu, I think she needs to consult other churches kunoitwa sister and oita due diligence about churches and move there if she feels she's convicted kuita sister.
So if she feels strongly good, I should be a sister, nga change church and not change her calling. That's a good one. Hi, you're live on Star FM. Bad connection.
Kokurorwa manje. Because arikuda kurorwa as well.
Is it really what she wants? Or she's thinking, because I'm thinking I'm wasting my youth. I mean, alright. Hi, you're live on Star FM.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Masquera say.
Ndakwera makwera veni.
Tasquera.
Nyaya iripo apa haisi nyaya huru. Nyaya iripo ndi.
Oh man, we lost that one. I'm getting messages like, we only live once, Mudiwa, enjoy you, do what makes you happy. Rorwa and enjoy nature. Is it that simple? Hi, you're live on Star FM.